At if you don't mind, babasahin ko po yung portion na hihingan ko kayo ng reaksyon. Ang sabi po ni VP Sara, I have repeatedly questioned the judgment of President Ferdinand Marcos in choosing Martin Romualdez as Speaker of the House of Representatives, especially after the Delaware court ruling was issued. Sadly, President Marcos continues to display this flawed judgment by merely changing the leadership in both houses of Congress while keeping a stranglehold on the flood control probe through the creation of what is supposed to be an independent commission on infrastructure that is clearly under his control. One day, the floodwaters of truth and accountability will flow all the way to Malacanang, and on that day, the Filipino people will finally decide that we deserve better.
Okay, nakakuha po tayo ng pahayag ngayon lamang at atin pong nabasa ang kabuuan. Unang-una po, siya naman po ay abogado. So dapat malaman niya kung ano ba ang pagkakaiba ng na-mention at ang conviction. Hindi po natin pinagtatanggol dito ang former House Speaker o Representative Romualdez. Pero babase lamang po tayo sa kanya naging salaysay. Unang-una, sinabi niya rin po, oo, sapagkat ito ay tugma sa mga nababalita na noong pagtanggap niya ng suhol. Ang sabi niya po sa salita, napabalita. So ibig sabihin, nabanggit lang. Pero walang naging desisyon ang korte.